Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the GMAT from scratch. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, including its 4 sections: quantitative reasoning, verbal reasoning, data insights, and analytical writing assessment. Understanding the scoring system is also crucial. Next, establish a realistic study timeline, aiming for 2 to 3 months of dedicated preparation. Finally, take a diagnostic test right away to pinpoint your current strengths and areas needing improvement. Once you know your starting point, dive into the core content. Dedicate time to mastering fundamental math concepts, from arithmetic to geometry, and sharpen your verbal reasoning skills, including critical reasoning and sentence correction. Always prioritize official GMAT study materials, as they offer the most accurate representation of the exam. Consistent practice with timed sections is essential to build your stamina and improve your pacing. As you progress, focus on developing effective time management strategies for each GMAT section. Learning to allocate your time wisely can significantly boost your score. Crucially, don't just practice. Analyze every incorrect answer to understand why you made a mistake and how to avoid it next time. Before your exam date, conduct a thorough review of all concepts and strategies to ensure everything is fresh in your mind. On test day, simulate the actual exam environment by taking full-length practice tests under timed conditions. This helps build stamina and reduces anxiety. Ensure you get a full night's rest before the exam to be mentally sharp. Remember to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals and resources. Arrive early, stay calm, and trust in your preparation to achieve your best possible score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.